Hi, it's Kirsten from WTI. If you're looking for that perfect little black dress, I definitely found it. This is the brand MISFAY. It's a long sleeve midi dress and I love it. I've been wearing it almost every day for the past 3 weeks because it's so comfortable. It feels like you're wearing pajamas. It's such a flattering dress. I love where it hits me on my body, right below my knee. I'm wearing a size small and I'm 140 pounds, I'm 5'4", and I just love the way it fits. I love having a dress with long sleeves that aren't too long. So the sleeves definitely come right to the wrist without being too long or too short. And the fabric is buttery soft. It's so cozy. I've been wearing it on its own just with some sandals, as I feel it is more of a casual dress, but you can definitely dress it up, pair it with a blazer or a sweater, which I've done before, and it makes the dress just so versatile. You can wear it in almost any situation. I also love the fact that it has pockets, which is a nice feature. So the pocket's big enough to fit a phone. The waistband is elastic. So this is incredible because sometimes you wake up and you feel maybe a little bit bloated, or even for people who are pregnant, this dress would definitely accommodate any body. So it's a comfortable dress. It's so cute. I love the buttons down the front. They're faux, so there's no opening. There's no fear that the dress is going to have any gapes or holes or anything. It's just such a comfortable dress. You won't want to take it off, I promise. But that's just my point of view.